Birth can be a really dirty business, and we want to make sure we're keeping as much bacteria out as we can. So I'm a big proponent of cleaning and sanitizing everything whenever I feel like I need to intervene into a kid's birth. So what I've got here is a stainless steel bucket. This is a seamless bucket, so there's no bacteria hiding in any cracks and crevices. A towel that I can use to dry and clean, and then different cleaning solutions that are good to keep on hand. So one is regular dish soap. This is useful for cleaning off any of your equipment. For example, if you have to use OB chains, if you have to use a bucket or a bottle to feed a kid, it can be helpful for cleaning. Scrub brush for scrubbing off whatever you need to scrub. The other thing too is that if a mom has had a really difficult birth, she can be covered in blood and amniotic fluid. So I might run a little bit of dish soap and a little bit of hot water with a scrub brush to help clean her off. Then I've got just some regular bleach that can be used following label directions for disinfection, as well as rubbing alcohol for disinfection.